In this lecture, we will learn how to download and install Scratch offline editor on your computer. Sometimes we don't have very good internet connections. We will not be able to open the online version of Scratch editor. Instead, we can use the offline editor so that even when we don't have internet connections, we can still create our project in Scratch. First of all, let's open the Scratch offline editor. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. And the support category, we can find offline editor. Click on it. We are now directed to a new page. Scratch True Offline Editor. First of all, we will need to install Adobe Air, as this is required to run Scratch Offline Editor. If you are working on Mac, you can click this button, but if you are working on Windows, you can click here, or Linux, you can click here. Since I'm working on Mac, I'll just click Download here. Download now. Now we have just downloaded Adobe Air. Let's find it in the Finder. Double click it. Double click again. Click Open. Since I have already installed Adobe Air, so I don't have to do this process again. But if you haven't done so, please install it. After that, we need to go back to the download window again for the Scratch Offline Editor. Click Download to download the Scratch Offline Editor. Now let's find an offline editor in the download folder. Double-click the DMG file. Double-click again. Click Open. For installation location, we'll just use the default location. Click Continue. Now we have just installed a Scratch Offline Editor on our computer. Let's make it to the full screen. In the next lecture, we will look at the Scratch editing environment. See you then.